It's a little warm today. It's going to be warmer. That was at about 8K, not too bad. Alrighty, Lord, keep me guided, keep me safe. To get another visor for this helmet. When I bought it, it came with 3 visors. I don't like the red one. I feel like the red is a little too much for me. Damn, it's empty out here on the highways today. But yeah, it came with a red visor, like a pretty damn bright red visor. Came with the chrome, the silver chrome, but that one's like, it's not scratched up. It just, I don't know how to explain it. It feels like the chrome is peeling almost, but it's not. I don't know. And it came with like another, I don't even know what color to explain it. It came with another visor. I used that one once, but I ain't like it. I like the chrome where you can't see my face or my eyes, I guess. That other one you kind of can. It's colored, but you can still see my face a little bit. Damn, it's windy. Oh! It's windy as hell. I forget how fun this bike is. I've been hating on my bike for the past couple days, weeks. Talking about I should have gotten a ZX6, which I should have gotten a ZX6. I'm not gonna say I shouldn't have, but this bike is fun, bro. Like, it's forgiving, full throttle right there. It doesn't do crap. So slow, but it's fun. I can go through the gears. I get tossed around in the wind, even at my big old weight. My boys, you've seen them before in the video. I think my first one, Javi with the GSX4RR and Jose with the Gixxer 600. Them boys is crazy. They both went out and they just bought Busas. I think Jose got a 2017 Busa, blue one, full exhaust, voodoo. I mean voodoo everything, voodoo down to the T. And his is blue, beautiful. He brought it to work yesterday. He went to go take delivery of it yesterday. Same thing with Javi, with the 8R. He got a Busa 2017, oh no, 2020. Javi's is a 2020, kind of the grayish with red. Beautiful bike too. I think his also has a voodoo exhaust. It's got headers. I think those headers might be, just regular headers, but 855. Hopefully I get some leads today. I haven't gotten leads in a while, but I need to stop for an energy drink, for an FTB. Man, I ain't gonna lie, it's a little windy today. I'm getting tossed around like crazy. Do I need a ZX6? Nah. This bike is fun. No, I ain't gonna do that turn. I'm not in MotoGP, cuh. I be wanting to do the MotoGP style turns, but nah, fuck that. I've been watching a lot of Marco Bezzecchi lately. Where should I park? I just need an energy drink, literally. I'll park right here. I need to open my visor too, because I can't see shit. I haven't worn this helmet in quite a while. I forgot where the visor was. Alright. Quick stop for some FTB. I'll see you guys in a bit, because I'm basically at work. 213? 213? Yeah. Yeah, it ain't nothing. It's cheap. Yeah. I didn't know how to ride either when I got it. I just learned. It's a 400. It's an inline 4. So it's a little quicker than your 400s and 500s. I recommend it. It's fun, bro. It's real fun. That's crazy. Appreciate it. Look at that. An Audi R8. A nice little Audi. Come on, bro, what are you doing? Oh. Anyway, we're at work. See you guys later. Probably in a bit when I leave, I'm gonna go take the bike to get it serviced.
One eternity later.
Alrighty, time to go home. I didn't even record when I took the bike to the shop or when I went to go pick it up, but I did it. The throttle works now, thankfully. Everything is good. Everything is good on the bike. This is the only thing that's a little loose, so I need to go get another thing. But yeah, everything looks good. First ride back home. Literally, look. A lot better. Yeah. And it sounds good. Yeah. It sounds good. That motherfucker sound good, don't it?
¿Dónde salió todo, güey?
$5.99. Bien barato.
El vato cobra barato.
Sí. Lleva la tuya.
Me cayó bien el...
Sí, sí, es buena onda. Son buena onda.
Pues ya, bro, ahora sí nomás...
Ahora sí ya. Ahora nada más tengo que arreglar esto y ya.
Se oye bien, mamalón. Y deja tú, está bonito el exhaust, güey, también.
Sí, está bonito. Se escucha bien, bro.
Perfect.
Oh, yeah. Déjame, voy a poner la música. Órale, papá. Nos vemos. Sí. Oh, yeah.
Never trust the little mirrors, como quiera siempre voltea, güey.
Sí, ya está, no se ve casi nada.
Sí. Siempre bien verga.
I don't know what I want to listen to. Probably some fuerza.
Chingado, güey, la güey.
Se escucha bien, bro. Y enjoying that.
Adrenalina pura, papá.
Son fuerza rígida.
Agua, apúrate, güey, que viene el agua.
Ah, cabrón, y sí. Dale, bro. Nos vemos, papá. Well, like I was saying, the bike is looking good, sounds good, looks good, it's healthy. Yeah, I do have to beat the rain. The only thing is my GoPro does like block off my camera view a lot. It's not kind of like on my AGV, my K1S, it doesn't block off crap. I can look at everything perfectly. Lord, my hands are on you, everything is on you, Lord. Keep me protected, keep me guided, keep me seen. Let's go home. Now she's bouncing. Oh yeah. This bike is beautiful, bro. Now it sounds loud, looks loud, everything looks good about the bike. I mean, look at this bad boy. It's windy. It's always windy in Hurston though. Oh shit. And I think it's sprinkling too now. Yeah, definitely gotta beat the rain. Or no, maybe not rain. I think somebody turned on their windshield wipers. Because it's clear. Man, these cars over here in Houston drive insane, bro. I'm going 80 and this car's passing me up. That's why one of the biggest tips I've heard about riding in Houston is keep up with traffic. Don't ride slower than traffic. And of course, don't really ride faster than it either. I miss riding. This bike screams. I wonder what happened. We made it home. Damn, I can't zip up my shit. I'll see you guys later.